Hi guys, welcome back with me again in this channel. On today's tutorial, I'm going to show you how you can change the language app settings on Instagram. So here my Instagram is currently on English, and if you want to know how you can change the language on your Instagram, this is what you are going to do. After you open the Instagram app, you can just go to your profile and find and tap on the three lines icon at the top right corner. So here on the Instagram setting and activity, you can just scroll down until you find this your app and media section, and you'll see the language options. So just tap on that. You can see my Instagram is currently on English, and now you can just select the new language that you want, the new language settings. For example, I'm going to change it into Bahasa Indonesia. Just tap on the language. Now Instagram will restarting, and just like that, now my Instagram language has been changed into Bahasa Indonesia. So that's all from me. Thank you so much for watching. Don't forget to like, comment, and subscribe. Also click on the thanks. Bye.